Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for stopping by. You're watching 412 Public Safety Equipment Customs here on YouTube. My name is Matt Sr. I'm the founder and CEO of 412 Public Safety Equipment Customs out of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. We are one of the industry-leading custom specialty vehicle builders specializing in emergency fleet conversions. Today's video is going to be on a special LED beacon. The LED beacon that we have in front of us is offered by Code 3. This is Code 3's CL199. The CL199 is a special beacon in the fact that it offers aerial identification. So there are many other manufacturers out there that offer that. They are definitely not the only one, but your run-of-the-mill beacon doesn't have that feature. So what do I mean by aerial identification? Okay, so this is an amber beacon, as you can tell, with a clear lens, and you can also tell that this is a magnet / suction cup mount. But the special part about this is it is a beacon that utilizes 24 high-intensity LED diodes. There is 12 diodes that are placed around the beacon to create side-firing warning beam. But this one also features an additional 12 diodes top-mounted aerial firing. So what that means is in certain modes, when this thing is running, you have 12 LED diodes top firing, which in certain applications, let's say for example on an airfield at an airport, all warning lights have to have aerial identification. All vehicles must have aerial identification. So this beacon would be for that application. I know Whelen offers aerial firing LEDs in some of their beacons. I think the L31 is one of them, which is one of my favorite beacons on Earth. But so this one is the CL199A-MH. This is an amber beacon, and it is a magnet mount housing. Now this also comes with the 12-volt power plug. 12-volt power plug features one button. It is a lighted button, and that button is what you're going to use to control this beacon. The beacon features 30 flash patterns. It is synchronizable with other Code 3 products, but only with the first 21 patterns. So patterns 1 through 21 are synchronizable. Non-synchronous are 22 through 30. Now, how this is going to operate is you're going to plug in your 12-volt power plug, and it's going to automatically turn on, as I will demonstrate for you now. This is pattern 1. To advance the pattern, you're going to push that lighted button for a second or less, and it'll advance to the next pattern. If you miss a pattern and you want to back up, hold it between 1 and 3 seconds. It'll back up to the previous pattern. If you hold that down for anywhere between 3 and 5 seconds, it will automatically set this to Code 3's default pattern, which is number 30 on the flash pattern list, and that is a random pattern that they are calling auto run. If you hold the button in for greater than 5 seconds, it'll shut the beacon off. When the beacon is shut off in that manner, the lighted button at the top of your 12-volt power plug will stay lit. To re-engage and activate the unit again, just simply press that lighted button and it'll fire right back up, and it memorizes the last pattern that it operated with. Okay, so as I said, these are synchronous. So patterns 1 through 21 go in phases. Each pattern actually has 2 phases. You have a phase 1 and you have a phase 2. Obviously, if you wanted these to synchronize and flash simultaneous, you would make sure that they're both set, or the multiples are set to the same phase. Whether it be phase 1 or phase 2, doesn't matter. If you want something of an alternating pattern or system with multiple units, you would set them off a phase. So if you had a pair of 2, you had one on the left, one on the right, you wanted them to alternate left and right, you would set one phase 1, one phase 2. All right, so let's go through some of these patterns. This is pattern 2, phase 1. That is pattern 2, phase 2. All right, so let's try this real fast. Notice the pattern that's firing. I just backed it up, so it went to the previous pattern. I'm going to hold it in for 5 seconds. And there we are. We shut it off. Single press real fast brings it right back to life. Now you notice whenever we flip to this pattern, the aerial LEDs disengaged. Now, I also wanted to talk about the optics. This beacon actually has two sets of optics. There is an inner optic that the tower first fires the LEDs through, and then the outer clear lens also has the fluted optic all the way around it, which just basically helps spread that beam out even better through the second optic. Now, the top of the lens, it is frosted, but it is non-optic, so those LED diodes aren't necessarily being fired through an optic, but the frosting on the lens definitely helps in the footprint. And as you can tell, these patterns that are simulating a rotator that do not have the aerial firing diodes running, these are the non-synchronous. As you notice, there isn't a second phase to these. Okay, so this is the default pattern, pattern number 30. This is their random pattern that they are calling auto run. Goes through all the different patterns utilizing the aerial firing diodes and some patterns that do not utilize the aerial diodes. Alright folks, so there you have it. That is the Code 3 CL199A-MH LED beacon by Code 3. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did like the video and you want to see more content like it, please smash that thumbs up button. I appreciate it. It lets us know that we're doing something right. If you guys have any questions, concerns, or any requests you'd like to see, put them down below. We love to engage with you guys. We love to start up conversations, and we definitely like to hear what you guys want to see next. We do our best to bring and showcase the items that you guys are looking for. We ask that you guys share this video and our YouTube channel with all your family and your friends. Trying to reach all the first responders and service personnel that utilize our lighting, our services, our expertise. So the more you guys share these videos, the better off everybody will be. If you haven't subscribed yet, of course we ask that you subscribe to the channel. If you do decide to subscribe to the channel, make sure you smash that bell icon so that you don't miss out on any uploads. And of course, like I said, you guys can request what you want to see. If there's a piece of equipment that you haven't seen a video, haven't seen anybody showcasing, let us know. We will do our best to bring that to you. We ask that everybody please be kind to one another out there. We are just starting to get through this COVID-19 virus epidemic that's killing our country right now. And a little bit of kindness and compassion goes a long way. You can easily brighten up somebody's day. These are tough times, and I just hope that everybody is doing their part to keep people safe and safeguard themselves and their family, and be kind to one another out there. I know it's tough. I know these are tough times. I know everybody's going through a lot of different things since life has ultimately stopped for a lot of us, but kindness and compassion goes a very long way. All right guys, so till next time, I wish everybody great health and safety. Be safe out there.